Guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can insert or eject a SIM card on the Samsung Galaxy S20 series. So this is the Galaxy S22 Ultra I'm holding. Now inside the box, there is a SIM pin. So you want to take out the SIM pin. And with this SIM pin, you want to push into the hole on the SIM tray right here. So let's push it in, and the SIM tray will pops out, and then you just have to pull out the SIM tray. Now on the SIM tray, place your nano SIM card on it. Make sure it is facing down, the gold metal contact facing up, and then we're going to push it back in to the device like so. Now you can see the SIM come out, so make sure it sits properly in the slot right there. And then it kind of slip off again, so we kind of have to help it to push it in place. And that's it. So now it sits in place. You can turn on the device to use it. And to eject and remove the SIM card, just again use the SIM pin, pushing it, remove the SIM tray, tap on it on the table so the SIM card come out, and we can put the SIM tray back in. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.